Do not speak negatively about yourself, not even as a joke. Your body does not understand humor. It only understands repetition. Every word you say about yourself is received by your nervous system as truth. The body listens, the cells listen, the mind listens. When you say, "I'm stupid, I'm weak, I always fail," even laughing while you say it, your body does not laugh. It prepares. Words are not just sounds, they are energy. They carry direction. This is why it is called spelling, because words cast spells over the body, over the breath, over the way you move through life. Many people are not cursed by life. They are cursed by the way they speak to themselves. And when you speak harshly to yourself, your body tightens. Your breath becomes shallow. Your mind stays on guard. But when you speak gently, the body softens. The breath deepens. The mind begins to feel safe again. You do not need to lie to yourself. You do not need to shout affirmations. Just stop harming yourself with your words. Speak to yourself the way you would speak to a child who is learning, to a friend who is tired, to a body that is trying its best to survive. Change the way you speak about yourself, and slowly your life will begin to listen. If these words touched something in you and you feel tired of fighting your own mind, I wrote something for you. It is called The Way Back to Stillness. Not to fix you, but to help you remember what calm feels like again. You can find it in the link in my profile.